In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy data from view-only Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and noticed you can look around but nothing you type seems to stick, that means the file is set to view only. That's normal when someone shares their sheet for reference but doesn't want the original to be changed. The good news is that, as long as the owner allows it, you can make your own editable copy and work freely without affecting the source. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to use. Take a moment to confirm it's view only. You'll typically see that the toolbars are there, but the cells won't let you type or paste changes. That's your cue that you are looking at the original, read-only version. Now for the easiest approach, the direct make a copy method. This works when the owner hasn't disabled copying, downloading, or printing for viewers. Look to the top menu bar and click File. In the drop-down, choose Make a Copy. A small window will appear asking for a name and a location in your Google Drive. This is your chance to stay organized. Give the file a clear descriptive name so you can find it later. And pick a folder where it belongs. If you work with a team or multiple projects, placing the file into the right shared or personal folder up front can save you time later. Once you confirm, Google Sheets creates a brand new file in the location you chose and opens it automatically. You'll know you are in your copy when the title bar shows the new name and you can click into any cell and start typing. From here, you have full edit and copy permissions on your version. You can change formulas, add tabs, insert charts, and format however you like. The original file remains untouched, so you can experiment without worrying about overwriting someone else's data. A quick tip for clarity: your copy inherits your own sharing settings, not the owner's. That means you decide who can view, comment, or edit your new file. Also, if you notice that make a copy is grayed out or missing, it usually means the owner has restricted copying for viewers. In that case, you won't be able to use this method, and the best you can do is work within the permissions you have or reference the data as is. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.